Hi everyone, in this video let's have a look at message. So what is MessageBox? If we want to show some error or warning or show some information, then we will use MessageBox. In this video we are going to create a simple button and show some message. So this is the message info box. Let's see how to create it. First let's import Tkinter. Import all from Tkinter, import ttk, import from Tkinter, import MessageBox as msg. Now let's create class root of tk. Now init self super root self init self dot title as message box. We'll set minimum size 600 by 400, and we will create a button self dot button. F button self so we'll create a button here. Button is equal to ttk dot button self and text on it. Text is equal to open message box, and we are going to give a command. So what will be the command? Is equal to self dot show msg box, self dot button dot grid. The position of this button would be column is equal to 0 and row will be 0, and we will create the method for show message box. Show message box self. So what it will do, if we msg dot show info, so we can see that show info, show error, show warning, these are all there. So right now I am selecting show info. So what it will be, Python message info box. and within that Python GUI created. So this is the method. If we click on that method, it will show this message box. Next, root object, root is equal to root dot main loop. So we have written the code. Let's see. This is showing error as name cell is not defined. So this is the silly mistake. F is missed. Let's see now. Let's run it again. Yeah. Let's click on this button. It is showing the message box, info box.